In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these super popular social club designs very easily with the help of Kittl. So to give you a quick idea of what these designs actually look like and what sorts of different niches they can apply to, and also how many sales they're getting, I'm on Etsy right here. I've typed in social club shirt, I've filtered out the best sellers, and we can see there's a ton of them right here ranking at the top that all look very feminine. They have like that one color retro illustration design feel, and a lot of these are personalizable, customizable as well. And we have a lot of bachelorette themed ones right here, but then there's also the Feral Mums Social Club right here. We've got Foxtrot Delta Tango Social Club, which is a current political trend. So as you can see, this can apply across the board to many different topics besides just, enter your name for this bachelorette party. We've got the Gulf of Mexico on the right as well. Then we have a honeymoon club one right here, which is interesting. I've not seen that before. Again, kind of playing into the wedding niche right there. We've got the anti-social book club getting an estimated 192 sales a month. Wow. Then we've got a birthday shirt right here, Dirty 30 Espresso Martini Social Club. This looks like it's got to do with baseball. We've got Shenanigans Social Club, so kind of applying it to St. Patrick's Day there. So it also works for seasonal holidays. And here we have the Dog Mum Social Club as well, so where you can apply it to pets apparently as well, which is really interesting. So as you can see, there's tons of opportunity and creative ways to approach this kind of style. And if you have Everbee installed as a Chrome extension in your browser, then you can also go to the product analytics right here. You can click on Everbee database, and then you can analyze the entire database right here, or hundreds of millions of listings, and see what they're getting in terms of revenue. So there is definitely a ton of sales happening. The top one right here is getting 4,000 sales a month right now estimated, and there's a bunch of those right here if we scroll further down as well. And as you can see, many of the listings are very young. We've got 2 months old right here, 1 month old, 1 month old, 2 months old again. So there is a ton of potential, and not that many of these listings are particularly old. So let's go ahead and create some designs for this inside of Kittl. The first thing we want to do is click on the templates tab, because if we enter social club up here, then there is actually a few templates that we can use as a starting point very well. So we've got this one over here, looks quite nice. We've got Cowgirl Social Club, Legendary Dads over here, typically tends to be more of a feminine niche. And then we also have a Bachelorette Party one, which looks okay with the layout. I don't love the graphics, but obviously you can always swap that out with a template. However, I'm going to start with the Coquette one right here at the top. So let's click on this, and it should open that up in your own project. I'm going to just click out of this sidebar, and let's double check if this artboard has the right dimensions. Yes, we've got 4,500 pixels by 5,400 pixels already, which is great. In case whichever template you're choosing is the wrong size, one thing you can do is you can click this symbol right here to lock the proportions, and then you could enter 4,500 on the width side, and it should automatically resize that and also keep the design in the same place. If you don't have this enabled, it can be kind of annoying to resize an artboard because the design doesn't actually come with you. You've probably noticed that, so yeah, that's a little time saver right there. But nevertheless, in case you didn't know, I have a custom discount code for Kittl as well. It's AndersYT, and it gives you 25% off. So the first thing we're going to do right here is just delete the ribbon and this graphic. Although they look nice, I want to create a birthday themed design. And you can obviously do whatever design you want. This is just an example in this tutorial. You can ask ChatGPT for ideas or do some more research into different sub niches. But I'm going to do the Dirty 30 one in this example, and I'll try and make it a little bit more interesting with the graphic. So we'll do Dirty 30 up here, increase the size a bit so it fills out the space better. We don't need the established. You could have that. Right, you can make that for the current year, but I'll just get rid of that. Then this social club text actually looks really nice, a nice elegant font, except it's a bit thin. So I'll see, does it have a different font weight? Yes, we'll change that to bold in that case. That should make it a little bit easier to read. There we go. And then here we could put aged to perfection. There we go. And now we've got a lot of empty space right here we can fill out with some interesting graphics. Now, what we saw on Etsy kind of had some drinks in there, like cocktails. Could also imagine wine glasses. But let's look for some inspiration, because Kittl has a really cool feature right here. If you go to Kittl AI and the image generator, you can go to the Kittl AI community, which is hidden behind this, and then you could just search for a keyword like cocktail and see what else has been generated with that keyword in mind or in the prompt. And sometimes you find some cool inspiration here, like we've got a flamingo already with some cocktails, which could also potentially work for this. So I'll just click on this and take it aside. You are allowed to use the graphics in this community in your designs. They're publicly available. You can also click on the information symbol right here, see the prompt and the style that was used, and click use prompt, and then it comes up with the exact same settings, and you could make some changes or just regenerate it right here with the same settings, or maybe try out a different model. So you don't have to use the graphics straight from the community tab. You can also still make adjustments or generate your own. But let's go back to this, look for some more ideas. What else? Oh, here we've got some raccoons, which is also often kind of associated with mums, right? We've got the feral mum social club design that we saw earlier, so that might be cool. I like this one with the dachshund as well in the cocktail right here. That might be a potential one to try out for people that are turning 30 that like dachshunds, right? Let's take that to the side right here. And there's some more raccoon ones. I think that's definitely something worth trying. The only thing is these are in full color, so you could click on the information symbol, use prompt, and then try and recreate it in a different style, in one of the vector art styles, for example. Or I'll also show you a trick right here. Let's use this one as an example. If you wanted to use this image, but you don't want it to have all of these colors, you can click on vectorize and just select literally one color, hit vectorize image, and it should take out the background and some of this graphic. Yep, very effectively. There we go. Now you've got your raccoons right here in a single color. You can click on this and change it to one of the pinks right here in the project file. There we go. And now we have a pretty cool looking design. We just need to figure out a better layout with the text down here because you can't really see it. And there we go. Let's increase the spacing a little bit. Maybe make this a little smaller as well at the bottom. There we are. I think that's a pretty good looking design, and it took us next to no time. And now we have a bit of a more fun approach right here with the raccoons that are drinking wine and cocktails. A bit hard to see. Maybe I'll choose the darker red right here. There we go. That's the first version or idea. Now, if you want to create more artboards or more versions of your design with different phrases or different graphics or for different niches, you can literally click on the artboard right here, hit duplicate, and then it will literally put that aside, or put that to the side of the first one. I'll call this one Dirty 30 Raccoons, because when we save the file, it will take that as the file name right here. And then maybe we call this one Dirty 30 Flamingo. Let's delete these and get back to this graphic right here. Change the color of it as well. And there we have it. I think that looks really cool as well. Very nicely balanced, actually. Here the graphics are a little bit heavy with the raccoons, kind of overpowering, so I might have to resize them. But yeah, quite happy with those results. Now, obviously, you could also go into a different direction and say, if we duplicate this right here, we want the same graphics with the raccoons, but we'll rename this to Feral Mums. We just have to make it a bit smaller now. There you are. Now we have another version of this design for a completely different keyword, and the graphics also suit that style. So very quickly created a bunch of these designs right here. As you can see, it's not that difficult with Kittl, and you have a massive library of graphics that you can find inspiration from. If you're doing bachelorette parties, for example, you just type in bachelorette up there, you might find some new ideas as well. And now you can also go to export and have all of these saved at the same time. I just forgot to rename this. So you do Feral Mum right here, and then when exporting, they will get all of these names, and you can set this to PNG, optimize quality, remove background, and export them, and then they'll be saved in a zip file. In case you didn't know, Kittl has now also integrated ideogram into their AI ad generator, which is amazing news. However, there is a bunch of different presets, and sometimes it's tough to know which one to use, which is why I made this video right here, where I show you what all of the different style presets look like.